Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to enable two-step verification on Amazon. To start this tutorial, open Amazon.com and make sure you've logged in as well over at your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you are now in Amazon, go to your profile name on the upper right. Now click on the drop-down. Once you're here, go to Account. Over at Account, the next step is to click on Login and Security. Once you are here, you will need to scroll down, look for two-step verification, and click on Manage button. Once you're here, you will now see your two-step verification process. You will now have the option to disable this one by clicking on Disable on your two-step verification. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.